Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and flipping through a deck I bought just for the name alone. We are going to be taking a look at Thera-pets, 64 Emotional Support Animal Cards by Kate Allan. I'm really excited about this one just because I love animals and I really love what this is saying it's about. So on the back it says, a menagerie of support. Animals are not only cute, but comfort us in tough times. Let the therapeutic pets in this colorful illustrated deck cheer you up wherever you go. Each card has a friendly pet with an affirmation or message that is just what you need to hear, whether you're feeling sad, anxious, or just need a little encouragement. Anytime, anywhere, Thera-pets are here for you. Retailing for $19.95 and it's published by Mango Publishing. So, isn't that cute and adorable? I'm really excited. I hope this is cute. So I did take the internal packaging off so you guys don't have to see me struggle. But other than that, let's get into it. This opens with a flap. There's no magnet, so just so you know, be careful. All right. They are pretty decent sized cards. That's big. That's my whole hand. So that's a big card. Kind of exciting. The cardstock leaves me wanting more. It's a little flimsy for my liking. However, I'm not mad at it, especially since I got this for $16 on sale. I'm not terribly mad at the quality of the cardstock. There is that gloss to kind of help with that as well. However, that's just noted. All right, so here is the back. It is a gloss, like a little gloss, a semi-gloss, but how cute. All right. Thank you for reading through the Thera-pets card deck. I hope you find them a comfortable resource to return to every time life has got you down. With color and kindness, Thera-pets will always be here for you. Adorable. Oh, all right. You got me. Cute. Oh my gosh. What a sweet and gentle deck. My goodness. Oh my gosh. Precious. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on each card because there is a lot of wording here. However, if you want, you can, I think YouTube allows you to slow down the speed. I know you can speed it up, but if you see a card that you want to read, just pause the video. And that way this video won't be 25 million minutes long. But what we're looking at right now is just the artwork. And then we'll shuffle and we'll pull a card and see how that card reads. Because there is no guidebook, since these are affirmations and supportive words, we don't really need a guidebook for this. But I definitely see this being a wonderful pull a card a day. Or if you're feeling like you just need a little extra support, I really feel like this is a deck that like you can, like a self-care deck, you know? But I am loving how cute these animals are. It's adorable. Oh my gosh. Such a gentle deck. Such a gentle, loving deck. I love that. This would make a fantastic gift for someone who may be going through a little bit of a hard time, might be struggling. This might be a good deck for them just to kind of have, you know, as a support from you. I could see myself using this for my pull a card a day, along with everything else that I pull a day. A reminder. This would be great for anybody who is a beginner because you don't have to worry about, structure or a guidebook. It's just you pulling cards, and adorable ones at that. Oh my goodness. I saw this and I had to have it. I was like, I don't know what this is, but it looks adorable and it has some cute little critters on it, so add to cart. Oh my gosh, I love these guys so much. The oxodals or something. Oh, they're so cute. They make me laugh. And just in the best way, not haha, funny at you, laugh at, but like laugh because like it just brings a smile to my face. Oh, these two, I love them. Oh. Sea creatures are phenomenal. How fun. Oh my goodness. It doesn't matter how old we get, we can always appreciate and we always need and deserve someone or something telling us that we're doing a good job, telling us that we are appreciated. And if we don't get that, cards are there too. It's just like hugs. Like you can never have enough hugs. You can never get enough encouragement. Cute. Ain't that the truth though? Depression lies. It sure does. Sometimes we just need a reminder that we're doing the best that we can do and that we are doing our best, and to stop comparing ourselves to other people or other people's situations. Me having fibromyalgia, I have gone through a ton of these feelings, a ton of feeling like I can't talk about my depression or my anxiety or my pain because somebody might have it out there worse than I. However, your pain and what you're going through is valid. Just because someone might have it worse than you doesn't mean that what you're going through isn't your worst. We as a society compare ourselves to other people so much that it takes a toll on our mental health. It takes a toll on what we do. I still struggle with feeling guilty for pushing my body to the limit or doing certain things because, I've lived so long without being able to do so. It's like, oh, if I push it too far, I'm going to flare up and I'm going to be down for the next, 5 days. But what I've come to learn is if it's worth it, if it makes me feel like I'm living, or if it makes me feel like any amount of joy, it's kind of worth it. You only get one life, So if you're enjoying it, don't feel guilty for your enjoyments or for comparing yourself to others. All of these things to say that sometimes we need this kind of a reminder. Sometimes like our family or our friends telling us that we're okay and, we're rooting for you isn't enough. Sometimes it feels like they maybe feel like they have to say it in your head, I've gone through a lot of what this deck is helping to remind you of, right? So this seems like a very, this is definitely a deck I would be picking anyway. If I were just anybody, I would be picking up this deck. Hopefully that's making sense. If you guys want me to talk more about my struggles and my my journey, I'll say, with fibro, I would be happy to do so, because I know that there are a lot of you that struggle with autoimmune and with chronic pain. I don't have any solutions for you. However, sometimes it helps hearing other people talk about it. So yeah, depression, all sorts of anxiety, currently trying to figure out whether I have ADHD. So yeah, there's a lot, there's a lot about mental health, that goes along with, chronic pain and those sorts of issues. Here in the United States, we are needing so much reform with a lot of this. We're just now starting to find it acceptable in society to talk about and be open about mental health. So this is definitely a deck that can help you cope, I feel. It's not going to be a fix-all, but it's definitely a deck to help build you up. So I appreciate that. And this says, even the most mentally resilient among us needs a helping hand sometimes. These affirming animals were created to help combat the negative thoughts that accompany stress, grief, anxiety, and depression. Please feel welcome to add them to your coping toolbox. When you cannot find the kindness or validation you need, Thera-pets are here for you. Love, Kate Allan. Okay, and here's how to use them. So, emotional support. Read through them when you're feeling overwhelmed, sad, or not good enough. Harness inner wisdom. Shuffle the deck, then pick a few cards at random. Ponder how the animals, colors, or affirmations are relevant to your life. And daily reminders. Place your favorite cards on your fridge, desk, and bathroom mirror. They also make great bookmarks. Oh, that's a fantastic idea too, to use them as bookmarks. I didn't even think about that. Okay, I'm excited. All right, let's see how they shuffle. They are pretty big, so keep that in mind. And watch this guy. He might come peeking around over here to, yeah, this is not going to work for me this way. So whenever there's a big card deck, I tend to shuffle, I do the side shuffle, because that is the only way that my hands can function that way. I don't mind this. It works with the side shuffle. Say that 5 times fast. Side shuffle, side shuffle. All right, and then let's, oh, that one wanted to come out. Okay. All right, we're gonna do it this way. Yep, so that's gonna be a harder way for, at least for me to shuffle. I would have to do it this way, just because they are too big for my little stubby hands. So that's not a bad way to shuffle it though. Again, your shuffling is valid, whatever you choose to do. There's no right or wrong way to shuffle. Yeah, so let's just check out what cards popped out. All right, this cute little bird. Today is a brand new day and you are a brand new you. Good luck. Cute. And then, oh, this was so adorable. It's all going to work out fine. All right, well, for this being a deck that I picked up just because it was cute packaging and the title, I am super pleased with it. I feel like this is a great, gentle, nurturing deck. I feel like you can use this for however you want to use it. Definitely as a bookmark, I would love to do that. Shuffle a favorite one and put it in there. I like the daily reminders and putting it on your mirror or on your dresser, by your bed, wherever you need to see it, on your desk. Look at it throughout the day as little reminders. You know, times are hard. You know, 2020 was not the kindest year to anybody, to say the least. So why not have different coping mechanisms to use to help your mental health? And this is definitely one that I think is worth it, especially for the price tag. I think it's adorable. I think this would definitely make a great gift. Definitely, I think for me personally, if I knew somebody was into this, I would purchase this for just a gift or a get well gift, any kind of situation. I think it's adorable. I think it's definitely a deck for any age group. It is adorable. Absolutely. I cannot tell you how cute this is and how much I like it. The only complaint I have is that they're too big. But that's just because my hands are small. Let me know what you think about this deck down in the comment section. I really didn't know what to expect, but I'm so here for this. And, you know, let me know if you want a video on my, how I get through my days with chronic pain and that sort of a thing, how I cope. If you ever need a listening ear, I am on Instagram, so find me there in my link tree. That being said, thank you so much for spending time with me. You are valid, and, you know, no matter who you are valid and worthy. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for watching again. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.